The things I will be using are this pack of lulutress, water wave, 18-inch and 1B crochet braiding hair. And then I'm just going to be taking a crochet hook, of course, and then the first touchdown edge tamer with the ultimate touch, and then I'm going to be using some spritz, and then the Murray's Cream beeswax, and then this olive oil mousse. Then I'm just going to start off by parting my hair above my ear and then parting in between my ear, if that makes sense. Like you see how the part's in between my ear. And I'm just going to be adding some of that edge control to the part just to make it look a little bit more sleek. And then the way I part is just going to be breakaway parting. If you know what that is, that's all I'm going to be doing. And then when I wrap my rubber band, it's about like 6-7 times around, depending on the actual rubber band, if it's loose or tight. So in the back, I'm doing 3 parts to start it off. And this is what it looks like after I did 2 rows. And then, like I said, I'm adding the edge control to the part just to make it a little bit more sleek. Remember, 6 times, wrap the rubber band, and then you want to pull. I forgot to say that. And then this is what it looks like after I parted my whole entire head. So to actually do the twist, you want to take 2 strands of hair and then just tease them, like just separate them, make it look a little bit messy until you get like just not a big ball of frizz, but a little bit of frizz, because you still want it to be curly like this. So whenever you apply it to your hair, you want to have the crochet hook open. Then you just want to push the hook through the base of the hair, and you want to have the hair twisted a little bit so it's easier to hook onto. So you want to hook it onto the crochet hook, close the crochet hook, and then pull through just a little bit, and then take the crochet hook off and just take one strand of the hair and pull it through the loop, just so you create a knot and pull, and then you just want to twist. And when you start to twist, you want to add some of that Murray's to your natural hair so your hair stays in the twist. And you just want to wrap your finger around the end so it stays curly. And then here's a close-up of what I want you to do. Like I said, leave the loop and then pull. Well, find the loop and then pull one strand through to create a knot, as you see me doing here. Just pull it through and then pull the 2 strands to create a knot. Like I said, you want to twist down all the way to the end, and when you get down to the end, you just want to wrap your finger around. And this is what it looks like after I finished. I'm just going to start snipping some of the ends because some of them are a little bit longer than the rest. And then spray that spritz, the tiny spritz, onto my hair. And then you want to add some mousse, because the mousse will keep it right intact. Then you just want to do your edges, you know, with that edge tamer. And I like to do like little swoops, as you see, like little U shapes, I guess. And this is what it looks like after I finished. And this is the finished look. Thanks for watching.